paralok peit paralok. Things. Paralok mentangan peit ni drone penir si drone. Te sepeit pi mau paralok long no. Peng si penir tu. Kita besok ipi paralok bara. Hari ni wipat ke video ngan pini ipi bangin stage po ilai span. Bangin raya ke ATV. Te mentangin nang dan apa kali. Te nang ni ilai stay. Te masa pini ipi stay dan ila apa. Perlu mentangin apa yang ni. Brother, open right? Huh? ATV. ATV. Right.
Oh, di sana sekarang pindah.
That's saya.
Di Infinity langsung aja depan sana. Ini tinggal apa aja? Tinggal apa? Mekaniknya aja. Iya, masukkan. Terus ke apa?
Farah.
Iya, Infinity sana. Masuk aja dalam. Sekarang apa? Konternya udah di dalam sana.
Interaction kok.
Hah? Udah pindah konternya, itu maka saya bilang suruh ke sana aja. Ke Infinity House. Infinity Base Club.
Jadi masuk jalan.
Masuk aja ke parkir sana, ke depan. Oke?
Thank you Thank you.
Ini rasa apa lagi? Tidak.
Ini kamera kedai stay.
Lalu dalam 20 meter, tujuan Anda berada di sebelah kanan.
100 meter 100 meter. Dia perlu menemukan bangil apa itu mah kamera nya. Tangi habis lepas stay. Klub tangil apa yang ni? Dah sampai sport long na. Seperti biru.
Ketawa kau.
Selamat datang, teman welcome. Ma perlu. Thank you. Selamat datang. Swimming pool dan ini. Yesterday you close here?
Huh?
Yesterday?
Every day we are open until start from
Every day?
9 p.m.
I see.
until finish.
Yeah? Okay, thank you ATV.
Boleh? Tak ada yang 10 minit, 20 minit.
Can you say in English? We don't understand.
Okay, sorry. So this one for 10 minutes, this one 20 minutes, also this one for half an hour.
Okay, so how much the price?
So 10 minutes, single is 150, double is 250. Double means 2 person on one end.
Oh yeah.
This one, the 20 minutes, you will go around the track later. So we got the longest one, this one. This one, after you go to 20 minutes track, we will go to the big forest. I show you the video, yeah?
Okay.
Can take a look. This one for the 20 minutes.
I see.
Later there will be a guide in front. You just follow the guide from behind. He will
Okay.
take your pictures, also your video.
They will take for us.
Yeah,
This is for the 20 minute, right?
20 minutes.
Okay. We will decide first,
No, you like any single 20 minutes.
Me, individual. We will pay separate.
Individual, okay.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, correct?
Tôi nghĩ là xây là thấp của tôi cả là siêu của tôi ATV.
So you guys can scan agreement over there. Kasi agreement.
Pengen haban talk agreement.
Oh shit. No, I don't have internet.
Do you have the form?
I mean,
Yeah, there is a form.
can you provide for me because I don't have internet.
Okay, nanti boleh can put 2 names
Okay.
in one form.
Yeah.
Woman.
Can we have a locker? We'll put our bag. Long tangi lah ada bekerja ni. Pong nak ki helmet ni safety first. Pengen haban follow sepedanya. Perlu tangi lah yuk kan ni ke helmet dulu. Kan ni ke ATV. Ini lah start neta. Ini dekat ATV cuma. Kali bang ni penang kau banyak, betul juga. Kali bang ni penang banyak.
Break.
This is double disc brake.
Break.
Okay.
Asal
Okay.
Okay. Ni gear. Ni go.
Go.
Ini kena slow ni. So ini kena slow. Ini stop.
Stop.
Stop. Reverse.
Okay.
Okay. Ini reverse.
Back side.
Lagi. Okay.
This one the back.
Ini like.
Okay.
Ini go.
This is go then accelerator.
Asal. Dan kena
And then-
stop ini lepas.
Brake and then turn this one here.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ya bang.
Wait.
Boleh kan? Oh ya.
Okay.
Take video atau yang depan ya?
Ya.
Saya ambil full video boleh?
Yeah. We'll take it.
Boleh bang.
Bruno. Bruno, can you take video like this? Ban buat jauh ni, you. Oh, hampir baru dah. Yeah. Serok kendal. perlok peit baru ting stonar banyak kan dia biasa sama apa peit sidin jengah dan perlok ready dan ni dia guide jengi ban yalam ini tengi haban podio kadai step kadai taxi minta ka shit ha perlok peit kan hang ni dan gaduriau tu kadai kan ti bangi at stay mos peit mau perlok. Dari sini kau banginya kan ya siapa kan tak sih ada kebasyat sini ha steng sini. Ya jadi ni ATV te perlu jengau lah clone drivernya. Dah ni akan follow your day guide. Ni akan follow. Ya. Dah perlu. Tapi kini dia akan apply for you. Ini kedai apa Indonesia perlok ke ilai si spot ini. Ah, kasi apa? Taxi ni mah. Dar je time dah kadar sebiji. Serok ke berit. Naro. Ha? đây bên giờ tan là cái drone lớn. Wah, ya nak kemat. Ya nak kemat. Ai lại chơi tay bên nhà nak kemat. Lại ya nak kemat. Duduk benda ya. Dia chơi tay paralok nak kemat wah. Rataya kuat. Ada benle ada kedrun. Hả? Lạ nào hả? Uang pakai string 8 kun ha. Tinggal change kita. Lupa. Saya awan penher. Saya ni. ñiah katay. Tangan ñiah ni ako siap paralok ini ke ATV. Baik. ATV siap. Siap bet. Jan Duria. Duria. Okay, brother. Ini perlu jing sebang tang la asing ni. La asing berpuk. Kita jingi la kete la nyam sakte entah. Tentang insightnya. Sekmat cua.
Steering jangan tu
Okay.
kenal aku steering mau lah.
Perlu mentangin penher ni drone. Ipet ulang no. Anjrong.
Landing. Landing. Takeoff. Home point updated.
Satu itu banyak ATV ni mana. Kedai stay. Kani kadai ka elite spot.
Return to home.
Vlog ni di drone wala pat. spot ka video mo. Perlok mentangan pet ni drone pener si drone te sepet pi mau perlok long no peng si pener to. Ano? Sino gidan? Te perlok mentangin penher new drone hang ni apa ilai spot.
Take off. Home point updated.
Yung dia cuma ingin.
This balance,
Oh yeah.
where I come from?
We are from India.
India.
Yeah.
Oh, but you fit like in
Yeah, because we are from the northeast part, Shillong, Meghalaya.
Huh?
We are from the northeast part of India.
Oh, north part like
Northeast.
near. Oh, east part.
Northeast part, yeah.
Northeast. Bhutan.
Not
Oh,
Bhutan,
right.
but
near the Bhutan, the more.
yeah.
This is why I still like Indian too. My friend said the Indian people is many face. The north is different face. South different.
Yeah.
East and west is different.
Yeah, we have like that.
Northeast and southwest is different because near Pakistan it
Yeah.
face like Arabians.
I think we are look like Indonesia, right? Yes.
You right. No, I think my friend think you are from Thailand because in Thailand, Philippines, and Indonesia, them.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
In
I see.
Singapore also, most people will
They think we are from-
expect me that I'm from Indonesia. Are you Indonesian? Just laugh at that.
Yeah. Many my friend is like talk Indonesian from like almost 5 Philippine people. Hello, kakak mau berapa? Then the Philippine people just only say.
The Philippines, they have that tone, right? Whenever they speak English also, it's like they will use the local tone. Have you
Yeah.
ever noticed that?
Yeah. Like a Tagalog, it is not
Yeah,
far from Indonesian.
So you from here?
I'm
Batam?
from Bintan.
Bintan.
Oh, Bintan.
No,
Yeah.
Bintan.
We almost plan to go there, but we came here first. Yeah.
I recommend you to go there at the Lagoy,
Lagoya.
at the beach, Lagoy Beach,
Ah.
and then you must go to like Trikora Beach, the
So it's
most
like-
the most longest beach at the Bintan.
What is
I
the
see.
best? I mean, like your best month to visit.
Best month visit? This time mostly best because it's not so
Hot.
heavy, not so rough.
Ah.
The wave not so rough, so you
I
can
see.
dive.
Yeah.
But if you come at December, January,
That is not the best place to visit.
no, the
I mean,
the
like-
height of the wave near 2-3 meters. The baddest height.
Yeah.
But for fishermen, it's good. A lot of fish.
I think you should come to India lah.
I ever
Experience
come.
the city of joy, city of color.
I just to India. I come to Mumbai.
But
for
in my state, no, in our state, no, we don't have like this beach. We don't have sea, no, but we have a lot of waterfall. You know, the natural waterfall. Yeah.
Northeast of
Yeah,
India.
no, this we have a lot of.
I ever go India to just only Mumbai for 3 days. I'm sorry not to disturb you about something, but
Yeah.
my
Our
auntie gets
experience-
you like do not buy some food that you cannot eat it.
Yeah.
But because I'm very lucky, I must try it. Get it straight to you now. This is why I stop. There are many Indian, many city different people. I not too harsh, but a lot of them is. I the people is got fight.
Yeah. It's dirty,
We
and then
also we work there in Mumbai, so we know how the city is. You know,
yeah.
I think it's very horrible lah. You experience a lot
Because
of.
I give like what is the rupiah? 5 rupiah for the children. Only 1 children I meet, and then 10 children come in.
Yeah, so many beggar, right? Yeah, correct.
They said, give me 2, give me 8.
But in our side, it's not like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are different. Even our traditional.
We don't have beggar.
Yeah.
Yes, I go because my friend in India said you go to north because every north of India not like this one.
Yeah.
Because I go to the border of Pakistan and India, the ceremonial of every town.
Yeah.
Wow.
But
So, after 1 day, 2 days after that, I go to Pakistan. Different. No bigger. That's the melody you say. The north is not bigger, you know.
yeah.
So maybe I must be plan to go to Bhutan and then north. I love because my friend has been travel all around the world, I think, and he ever go to Bhutan and said maybe it's not too isolated place, but it's good enough for you who love the peace. Because
Next trip we'll plan to Batam.
yeah, I recommend you go to Bintan, my homeland. I recommend you because it's a lot of pure ocean that is not like this one. The color of the ocean is very very blue.
Yeah.
You can see the fish swimming around.
Snorkeling,
the
I
sea.
think is very nice, no?
Mm.
Like scuba diving.
Yeah, that's
Snorkeling.
for the diving. But I warn you about that. Maybe the sea is good,
Yeah.
not to the surf. What is the sand of because the rig oil from the ship is getting because a lot many people throw the oil to the sea. This is why the Bintan is more like
I think the most visit tourist spot in Indonesia is Bali or what? I
Bali.
think so lah. Right.
Because I know
Maybe.
from my friend only 3 places they want to go. This is my opinion of my friend from Paris. Bali is the first, the main tourism, and the second is Batam. Batam or Bintan because the tourism is still good enough. In
What about
Bintan we
the
have a
capital?
rule like you must be keep the nature, so nature will keep us.
Yeah.
Yeah. This no like the oil at the sea, not the sand after at the sea. Only fishermen.
Great, yeah.
Yeah. And the fishermen still use a traditional use like this one.
Use a rod.
But maybe the niceness of the not wind. You must bring a little fan.
Yeah, it's
And you must go hiking at the mountain. Our mountain is the
hiking is
Bintan
there.
mountain. Is we have the one sacred waterfall.
Oh yeah, it's in Batam.
Yeah, Bintan.
Oh, we can do hiking also.
Yeah. It's
So do we need like a guide or I think so we need guide lah.
You not without guide. You can go to right to the top of the. This is not a mountain. It's like
Is it
what is that?
a hill or what?
Hill. Only 600 or 700 meters.
Yeah.
But you will feel like you're in underworld. Because this sacred place over us. And the history say whoever wash and face at our waterfall is still your. It will be like clever and then you get this good dog.
Have your own history lah. Right?
You must discover that.
Yeah, I love hiking lah. Maybe one day lah.
If you are lucky, you will. This is some story of our Bintan. If you are lucky, you will get 2-3 kind of animal out there.
Oh yeah.
The standing monkey.
Oh yeah.
Monkey not, but the
Standing up.
standing monkey. We call it standing monkey.
Ah.
The second is like a small deer. What is it?
Is it
Small deer. Only this.
ah.
But fast. And then like our bird is the great bird. I ever said that the eagle who is the bigger and this very and you can taste the durian of our Bintan. The durian of the Bintan is other taste. 3 times more good taste from the other durian. From there I lot many places to recommend for you because the Bintan is main destination. And
So-
if you are you are love to play like we use that what do you call that? The drone,
The drone,
Yeah, drone.
good at Bintan.
They-
The people is very
friendly. Like.
friendly, very.
Oh, yeah. So I mean like you mostly stay here. So like how like what is your yearly plan? You mostly visit home like which month?
Maybe yearly plan to go to the outside. Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe September. I want to go to France because my friend told me go to France. I don't have a money. I will pay it already. And then he asked me, so after France, where we are going to go? You are recommend me to North India? This makes me curious.
Take off.
Just drop me your number, boss. Drop me your number. Give me your number.
How much you when you go to Bintan?
We'll see because we work in the we are healthcare, right? So we are nurse. So I mean like a plan also we need to be like well planned. We cannot just take leave like us whatever we want. We should have a plan for.
If you want, if you still here at the Saturday night, I will come to the evening here. We have a lot of great party at here. And then you can be permit the for playing your drum. And you have a lot of people at here from the another region, another nations. But this is why I still like. Hey, your face like Indonesian.
They would expect us that we are from Indonesia.
But most of the when we came here, most of them they talk us with Indonesian.
Local, they use the local dialect.
Yeah,
Oh,
We
look
use
at
the
it
local language.
Hello, bye.
Yeah. We know few word. I mean like because it's Indonesian is similar like Malay, right?
Yeah.
So it's like some few word like I know lah. Just how to say like to greeting.
Yeah,
I know lah.
Siang bang.
Selamat pagi.
Sore bang.
Ah,
Maybe not too hard to learn
It's
about
very-
our language. Is the most easiest, my friend says, because the word is not repeatedly like sore, siang, pagi, malam is different for every day, and like apa pesanannya? You just So your first time at the Infinity Beach Club?
Yeah, first thing. Yeah.
I recommend you come to at the Saturday. I will be maybe proper one of people at there, so you can be rest at the bed, feel the ocean. You can feel the ocean view or like the performance. And we have a live acoustic and 5 beer. You can request your songs maybe. If they can sing it, they will sing it.
But we need to leave early because ferry is at 7.
Oh,
7
you
p.m.
want back
Yeah, we will go back
to
to Singapore.
Singapore.
We are walking in Singapore.
So fast.
It's just only like 3 days, 2 night trip only. It's not that very
Yeah.
long.
Oh, this only. So this is your third
Last.
day.
This
Yeah.
is our third day.
Actually, yesterday we planned to come here.
But
Just short.
yeah, we reached over here at the not the entrance, the exit or the first gate. So
At the first gate.
yeah, there is a one gate over there. So after that, we decided to go to KTM Resort. So we was there in KTM.
Very, very loud. Only short quiet with my chair. So tell me again if you want to come at Batam or Bintang again. And if I have a time, I will accompany you at Bintang at my homeland. So I will become your tour guide. I'm the local, I know the place. And the best place
Yeah.
and the secret place that they ever know.
Yeah. Because you know, like people, Indonesian people are very friendly. You know, so it's like traveling alone. Also, it's not a problem, like.
But maybe the obstacle of it is only language.
Yeah.
A lot of Indonesian people cannot speak English
But
only like me.
most of my experience over here since this last 2 days, right? Most of the people they communicate us with English. You know, it's very easy. It's easy for us whenever we went, you know, we go to the hawker, everything we eat makan, and they know how to, you know, they speak English. Even the Uber driver also they speak English.
Yeah,
It's
because
very interesting.
few person maybe they like if you want to eat some waiter or some like server is known about the following to English will be face to face. Because not at the end is I am speaking English so bluntly like you. Then the other job and the I'm helping. Because not only English, like German language, like the Russian language is will be my priority. Chinese. But for Indian language, the Hindi language is very, very.
Namaste. You don't know how to. Not even one.
Namaste. Namaskar.
Namaste is like hello, like that. Everything.
But that Indian language, namaste.
English. Oh, it's Indian.
India,
Hindi,
namaste
Hindi.
like.
Yeah.
Indian people they use like that, right?
Oh,
That's it.
namaste. Or some like hello.
Like that.
I will try it more.
Namaste or namaskar, you can say.
I will try it back to my many my guests is from India. But not from Mumbai, like Punjab, Pradesh.
You can learn our language also.
Yeah.
Hello, Kumno Filong.
But a lot of the Indian person different where they like Pradesh,
Yeah.
like Punjab is different dialect. Like
Yeah, they
dialect
have their
tone.
own one. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
The Punjab is very fast about
Yeah.
the
Punjabi they speak.
speedy.
You speak. Kepala mentangi nangdan hangnya mentangi nya taskai kene an pajumlian mah julera ta.
Boss, you know how to play?
But I don't good enough for the
So yeah,
pool is not good enough.
how to do this? Lihat enough,
Use
right?
Tom.
This one ah.
It's more
Wow.
not too strong.
Sini tu boleh ya. Apa ya pan ya? Mana ni? Hah? Tawai stay way, stay. Oh. Perlu kata ngim lera ban lek kai kata ngim enang ra. Perlu spesifik. Lesai. Itu perlu. Kita kini video ngan bukan ni kebanguan sini ban raya tu ke ATV. Ta publish pun perlu bila apa jadi video. Ini saya kendu pada aku pada video publish.